Designed specially with vertically and horizontally, can disperse high viscosity materials in one pass. In addition, a chamber designed in double jacket circulates coolant, thereby cooling off released heat created by high dispersion force. Therefore, PASSON shows higher dispersion force and cooling effect than batch type that receives constant heat from dispersed heat. By using PASSON, labor costs can be dramatically decreased and work efficiency can be maximized, up to 8 times in producing 300 kilograms of high viscosity industrial adhesives and 2.4 times in manufacturing printing ink. In addition, two-component process, which performs reaction by injecting more than 2 types of liquid, solid or gas, is enabled. When shear force is exerted, reaction of two-component process can be highly efficient since surface area contacting more than 2 types of materials is increased locally. While it is a process that evenly disperses minuscule amount of additives to large quantity of main material, it is a highly useful technique